Welcome back, everybody. This video is going to be very taxing on you. So we have a new tax assessment in the city of Philadelphia. It was actually approved mid-22 and it came into effect in 23. Taxes are up, property taxes now for over 500,000 properties in Philadelphia are up. They're up about 30% in some cases. There's nothing you can do about it. So the city went through a new assessment here, and the first one within the last maybe 4 years. And it's a pretty big jump, and the reasoning behind it is the values of the properties have doubled, tripled in some cases, which is great. So yes, your taxes went up, but so has your property value. Secondly, what can we do about it? Well, you're probably not going to have another tax assessment raising of taxes here in another 3-4 years. What can you do about it? You really can't do much, but you can challenge the assessment. So if your taxes are super high versus your neighbors, let's say, and a few neighbors, you'd need probably 2 or 3, you can challenge the assessment, have your assessment lowered, hence lowering the taxes for yourself as well. So challenging the assessment. What else can you do? The other thing you can do is there's something called a Homestead Act. Now, you can only do that once for one property that you actually live in. So if you have multiple properties, you can't get the homestead exemption from Pennsylvania, even though you're in the city. Yes, it'll work. That's something you can do. They also got some great deals for senior citizens and for those that can't afford, so lower income, let's say. Now, you also can pay your taxes monthly. You don't have to pay it all at once. There's no penalty to do that. You actually, if you pay your taxes early, they actually give you a little bit of a break, but you can take the money every month and pay it monthly in that case. So it's sort of like a free escrow account. So there is some things in place in the city. Now, who's at fault here? It's the controller. So if you're having a problem with this, call the City of Philadelphia controller and complain. I'm just kidding. They aren't the one that made the decision, but they are the ones that have to collect taxes and also collect all the complaints. So there you have it. Tax increase of about 30% across the board. Every house in Philadelphia. All the assessments went up, hence the taxes went up. But we've got property values soaring. This is absolutely the best time in real estate to sell your home. You've got an unbelievable amount of equity in your property now. The rental market is also flourishing in the city and outside of the city. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know either way. I'm Gregory Martire, your local real estate agent here in the city of Philadelphia. Have a great day.